Wait, well, hold up.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mrorchardbeach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Before we get into this vid, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint.
No, sorry.
Yo, I'm trying to get this joint over with as swift as I can so I can go outside for a bit and lounge, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into it. Oh, you already know, double IPA 9.1, ow, 6 points.
Man, that monkey oil is gonna mess you up good.
You already know what this is. This is a sneaker, and the rest of that gear sale. I still got some sneaks that didn't sell. I'm just dropping them down a little bit, a little lower, you already know. And the leftover gear I got, this is the last chance, and then outside to the street they go. So anyway, let's get into let's do the gear right quick. Just get in that, get in and out like a robbery, you already know. Or just like last time, everything's gonna be PayPal gift. That's PayPal gift. All my shirts, they are all size large. They are all size large. I repeat, all size large. I'm gonna tell what size the sneakers are, and what I'll do is I'm gonna have a list underneath the video, like I'm gonna pin it at the top to let you know what's still there. So y'all ain't even gotta hit me up on some to have the, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't wanna waste your time. So, you know, like we're just gonna have everything right there. Hopefully I remember, but I'm pretty good at remembering whatever I sell. But anyway, yeah, so that's how we're gonna do it. Like I said, PayPal gift. That's it. You just hit me up, send me that email, let me know on the subject, yo, what joints you looking for, bam.
Don't ask, no questions, just give the money.
First off, these joints again, I got this jersey in from 8 and 9 Clothing, the No L's joint, you already know, size large. Boom, that's one jersey. This joint to go with the Hair 7s right here. Boom. This is from Effectus Clothing. That's 2 jerseys. Another joint, you got any the Cool Grays from Effectus Clothing right here. Boom, that's 2 jerseys. And the third jersey, didn't really want to get rid of this, but here we go, 8 and 9 Clothing, Silencio, that's 4 jerseys. I'm gonna let these joints go for $40. Tees, I think this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, this is the 8-pack.
You sure?
Yeah. This is the 8-pack of tees. This one from Effectus Clothing. They all size large. Bam, that's 1. Right here. It's 2. It's 3. These Effectus all right here. This is 4. I kind of like this one right here. Nice for the summer. Back up off the wall like what? This is 5. I might keep that one if it don't go. This is 6. We got 7. We got 8. Bam. 8 tees, $40. All brand new. All right, this is the last set of tees right here. Get this out of the way. This is the 9-pack. First joint is Effectus, boom. Effectus Clothing. I think I rocked that joint once. But 2. That's the Eraser joint. And when you ask about these joints, you're gonna be like, yo, let me get the 8-pack or let me get the 9-pack. Oh, matter of fact, you can just name the Eraser. This is the Eraser pack right here, and this is the first one was the drip hard pack. This is 3. Yeah, I got that. Bam. 4. Side down. And then side out. About to show what it's up. Remember that joint? Nah. Boom. And damn, why are these coming upside down? Here you go. Bam. I done lost count, but we I think we're higher than 4. Bam. Let's see, because this is the 9-pack, so my math is bad. Damn, why they keep coming upside down? That's crazy, right? That's 7. This one is 8. Bam. And this one is 9. Both these joints, they both going for the 40, so it's whatever. All right, first off, these the Air Trainer 1s. box a little damaged, but these joints are dead stock. I'll let these go for $1.50 as long as StockX doesn't hit me back and say that they'll take them because of the damaged box. Because I can boom them for about $2.50 on StockX. So, yo, bam, here they go right here. These are the chlorophylls, size 9.5. Bam, it's a dead stock, ain't been worn. Ain't been worn at all. Bam, bam, see? $1.50. Shit, size 9.5. Alright, so next up, got the Barkley Posite Max, size 10. These joints they sell last time, so I'm knocking them down to $90 shipped. Only rocked these joints a couple times. They still got some rocks out of them. $90 shipped, size 10. Alright, a joint that I was going back and forth about is the Air Jordan 11 Win Like 82 joints, size 10. I'm gonna let these joints go for $145. I only rocked them, I believe, twice. Check out them soles right there. The joint's still icy. The sneaker's still fresh and so clean. I got the shoe trees, everything is inside these joints. Bam, bam. Matter of fact, let me have this here for the thumbnail. So I'm selling these, you know what I'm saying? Alright, but yeah, so boom. $145 shipped. Next up, got the sale ones. I'm gonna let these joints go for $120 shipped. Only rock these joints once, and I'm really not trying to sell these joints. So if they don't sell, I'm gonna go ahead and keep them. That just means just hold on to them. But yeah, so these the sale ones, $120 shipped. And don't forget PayPal gift. Oh, and they also do come with that extra pair of laces. Got a Foamposite for you, size 10. These are the Safari joints right here. There you go, boom. I only rocked them once, ain't really much I could do with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and part with them. I ain't really wanna sell my foams like that, but you know, I don't need them. You know what I'm saying? Bam, only rocked them once. Check out the soles right there, boom, boom. $135 shipped. Joints damn near dead stock. Next up, okay, bam. Told you I was selling the what is the? Oh yeah, the Emerald Grape joints. I let these joints go for $120. Only I forget how many times I rocked them, but it's been a minute since I rocked these joints. So bam, I don't know. I guess they just started yellowing like that, but you know what I'm saying? Holla at me. I want to get rid of them. Boom, $120 shipped. Let me see. Yeah, the suede still moves. Suede still moves on these joints. Hell yeah, suede definitely does move. Oh, and I got the receipt, so, you know what I'm saying? Holla at me, $120 shipped. Size 9.5. These didn't move last time. These are 3 lap 5s. Carolina joints. I'm gonna let them go for $100. Let these joints go for $100 shipped. If they don't sell, these be some gym shoes. You know what I'm saying? All right, bam, the 1. 2 right there, boom, bam. 100. I'm gonna let these joints go for $100 too. It's the infrared joints right here. Still clean, bam, bam. Thank you, man. Nah. See them? Still clean. 100 shipped. Lettermans. I'm gonna let them go for $90. They ain't sell last time, so I let these joints go for $90. Bam. Joint still clean. Definitely still clean. Like that. Bam. And they also come with shoelaces, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to shortchange you. 90 ship. These are size 10. I'm gonna have all the sizes and everything by the sneak. I got 2 more joints, we up out of here. Somebody asked about ACGs. Here you go, bam. Yo, I got the purple ACGs. These are size 9.5. Got the insole, all that. $50 shipped. I know it's about to get warm and ain't really no need for them, but yo, oh yeah. So here go the other one. Boom, bam, bam. Still looking good. I might end up, I don't think I rocked my other ACGs this year. I got like 2 more I might end up booming just to get like a bigger size. But hold on, I got 1 more sneak and we up out of here. Oh yeah, and before I get to that last sneak, here go honorable mention. This is gonna be on my next sneaker sale because I'm gonna rock these joints once. I gotta rock them once. These are the original joints right here. I gotta rock them 1 time. These ain't them joints that came out last year. These came out before that. These joints drop anyway. It don't matter, but yeah, they're gonna be. I would let them go, you know what I'm saying? The price is right, you know what I'm saying? Holla at me, but I do want to rock these joints like one time, like in a club atmosphere. But anyway, man, keep going. All right, last up, and a joint that didn't sell the last time. I got the white foams. I let these joints go for $100 shipped. I know it can't catch it, it's just so, let me see. Yeah, here they go right here. Ain't no scuffs in them joints. Bam. Check out they go to sole right there. Size 10. Oh yeah, them Zoom rookies, they size 10 too, right? Yeah, they size 10 too. Bam, size 10. Boom. Boom. 100 ship. All right, so again, I'm gonna leave all the joints that are for sale in the comments below. I'm gonna start erasing out whatever gets sold. Holla at me, you know what I'm saying? Just hit me on my, well, not my IG. You can hit me on my email. I'm gonna leave all that in the information. Y'all already know how we do. PayPal, gift, everything. And anybody rock with me this last time, you know I'm sending. And if I forget your tracking number, you gotta hit me up with it. Tell them what happened last time.
Tell me, somebody.
You got the box the next day, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yo, I'm about to get up out of here. 400 likes on this joint again. I appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me. Stay safe, wash your hands, don't stop your life, be a leader, not a follower, word. But anyway, yo, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that Snups. It's your boy Wavy, I noticed my channel, Mr. Mrorchardbeach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.